This Miecux 26cm glass lid is a useful addition to any kitchen. It fits pans and fry pans that are about 10.2 inches or 26 centimeters wide. The lid is clear, so you can easily see your cooking food without lifting it. This helps keep the heat inside, which can speed up your cooking and save energy. It's a simple tool, and it does its job well. The Miecux 26cm glass lid is made from tempered glass. This means it's stronger and more resistant to heat than regular glass. It also comes with a handle, making it easy and safe to lift. You can use this lid for many different pots and pans in your collection. It helps to trap steam, which is great for simmering and keeping food moist. Plus, cleaning the Miecux 26cm glass lid is quite simple, like most glass lids on the market. Overall, this lid is a practical tool for your kitchen. It helps with cooking by keeping the heat in and letting you see the food. It's a universal pot cover, so it should fit a range of your existing cookware. While it doesn't have special filters or smart elements, it's a sturdy and clear lid that makes cooking a bit easier. For storage, it's flat and easy to stack with other lids. It's a good, no-nonsense product if you need a basic and reliable glass lid. Pros: universal fit, clear view, heat-resistant, shatterproof, dishwasher-safe, silicone rim. Easy to handle, steam vent, durable, easy to install. Cons: might not fit all. 10.2 knob may need assembly, no bolt for knob in some cases. Packaging could be better. Glass can break, metal rim can trap food, can steam up. Hard to see, lower oven temp limit, more delicate than metal, bulky to store. For some features: tempered glass lid, for pans, for fry pan, universal pot cover 10.5-inch size, 10.2-inch size, 26 centimeters size, clear, Miecux brand. This clear Miecux brand lid is made of strong, tempered glass. It can fit on different kinds of cookware like regular pans, frying pans, and pots. It's about 10.5 inches, or 26 centimeters, in size, which is also listed as 10.2 inches. This lid helps cover your food while it cooks. This Miecux 10.5 clear glass lid is made to fit many different pots and pans around 10.2 inches or 26 centimeters. It lets you see your food while it cooks and is strong because it's made of tempered glass. The lid can handle heat and can be washed in the dishwasher. It has a soft silicone edge and a handle that's easy to grab. There's also a small hole to let steam out. It's made to last, but it might not fit every 10.2 pan. The handle might need putting together, and sometimes there's no screw for the handle. The way it's packed could be better. The glass could break if you're not careful, and food might get stuck in the metal part. Also, steam can make it hard to see inside. It can't go in a very hot oven, and it's not as tough as a metal lid. Plus, it can take up space when you store it.